Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews. I recently featured the Tahoe T16 that was on sale at the Jacksonville Boat Show last year, and this is big sister. This is the 200S. This one measures in at 19 feet 10 inches in length. She's got a beam of 7 feet 10. She's got a fuel capacity of 33 gallons, and at the boat show she was on sale for $40,910, which with her finance deal was $339 per month. She might only be priced at around $40,000, but this one's got a much more high-end feel to it than entry level. I like that dark painted hull. You get a large bimini top. And this one's powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke outboard. In the right conditions, you should expect this one to punch through the 40 mile an hour mark, and she'll cruise at around 20 to 25 mile an hour. I like that shallow draft of only 15 inches. It means that it's easy to beach on a sandbar if you wanted to. You can see here we've got boarding ladders built into the bathing platform for ease of access. Underneath the sun pad you see right in front of me, there's actually huge rear storage boxes. This is used to hold towels, tackle, ropes and just about anything else you might need for either fishing or for water sports. That chrome plate you see in the middle, that can be used for a ski tow piling if you're into water sports. I love the comfortable seating that's on board, as well as the amount of space that you have for moving around. So underneath the centre seat you can put a cooler in here. Under the starboard seat is actually a live well, and under the port seat is storage. Moving on to the helm, I like that wraparound screen. I like the fact that the seat turns round rather than being fixed in place. You got your revs, you got your speed, you got your fuel gauge, you got your trim gauge. This one comes with hydraulic steering. There's a digital depth gauge. And then on the bow, we got a very spacious seating area. On the section at the very front, there's actually an anchor underneath that one. And then on the other two seats, including the backrest, there's storage underneath here. For larger items, such as a fishing rod, we have got storage on the port hand side, built into the side of the hull. And then you'll also see we've got a storage compartment that's built into the deck, and that's large enough that you could put different items in there, including skis, possibly a wakeboard, fishing equipment, or you might even want to just put in the canopy cover for when the boat's actually been used. This is a very well thought out and very well equipped boat for its size and for the price. Whether you're into cruising, whether you're into fishing, skiing, wakeboarding, diving, combination of all the above, that's one certainly one to consider. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. If you can leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, if you could hit that like and subscribe button, it really does make a difference. And I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.